Here goes. There you go, Woods.
I think I know what this is it?
No!
That's right.
Well done, Woods. Yeah. Well done, Woods.
Here goes.
Oh, I know that one.
I've heard that before. I definitely think it's starting this end. Did I do it right?
That's the remix.
Ah! This one is going to be impossible for him. You ready? Here goes, Woods. Oh! Oh!
Wow.
Like legit, that's easy.
No, you don't know that one.
It's
There's
easy.
no way
It's
that you
easy.
know that one.
I do know that one. It's up this end.
You get.
Too easy
How?
for me.
Well done.
I listened.
He's good at this. Is that Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
Either that or A, B, C, D.
Interesting fact that. Oh, okay.
Wow.
Right.
Oh my god, you're literally miles off it.
Really?
Why did you look like you got it?
Because you all look like I got it right. Ready?
Yes.
Here we go, Woods.
Oh.
Here we go. Oh, you can take your blindfold off.
Alright.
Oh, well, okay, before you go, just think logically about this, Clay.
I didn't.
Yeah, I did
Just think about this. It goes low, low, high, low, low,
One more
high.
time. I've already forgotten.
You're so close.
Did I get it?
No, you were so close, mate.
You ready? It's gonna be a very hard one for Woody. Beat that. If you get this right, I'll give you £100.
You think I'm stupid? You got a glass somewhere else.
No, I haven't. I haven't. Good though. That would have been really good if I'd done that.
It's one of these three.
Oh my god, he got it right.
Did I?
He's too good at this game. He's too good at this game. I'm off.
I'm going to give you a hard one. You ready?
That's exactly what she said.
Okay. Okay, here goes.
Good luck with that.
You are having a laugh. 3, 2, 1. Yes! Apart from that little bit at the end. Yes! You kids.
Honey,
No.
you lose.
Oh, that was good of you though. He was very good at that.
I am very good.
Play it again. Play it
Hey,
again.
you don't have to
Play it again, Woody.
No, go on, play it
Go on,
again.
just one more.
Okay, you ready?
Close your eyes again.
Then you can't do.
Do it.